Hello friends, in today's video we will talk about growing the Portulaca flower plant from its leaves. Like other succulents, Portulaca store a lot of moisture in its leaves and can be easily propagated from leaf cuttings just like other succulents. For the growing medium, I have used equal parts sand and coco peat, and I have also added about 10% cow dung manure. In addition, I have added a quarter teaspoon of biofungicide, for which you can use trichoderma or pseudomonas etc. Friends, when planting Portulaca cuttings, the pot or container should not be too deep. You should use a shallow pot or tub because there is less soil in shallow container. The moisture dries out quickly, and when the soil dries out regularly, fungus won't develop. This also promotes excellent root development. Don't bury the Portulaca cuttings too deep in the soil. Only the bottom part of the leaf should be in contact with the soil, and the root will grow from the part. Water only when the soil is completely dry, as Portulaca does not need much water. After planting the cuttings, keep the pot in a semi-shaded location. Friends, I am going to show you an update after 29 days. Rooting starts within a week of planting the Portulaca leaves. After 2 weeks of planting the leaves, you can place them in a location with direct sunlight. We should only grow Portulaca leaves during the spring season. It will not grow in any other season. If planted during the rainy season, the leaves will rot, and the winter season is its dormancy period, so it won't grow during the winter either. It can be easily grown from the beginning of spring until about a month later. After roots develop on the leaves, we will transplant them into another pot. For the growing medium, I have used equal parts of soil, sand, coco peat and cow dung manure. Preparing the potting soil mix in this ratio will ensure that the Portulaca leaves grow well. Because the potting soil mix is very loose and excellent drainage, it will prevent fungal growth. The root will also develop properly. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.